Auto with adjustment magazine unloader. Machine static picture. Power on. Manual screen. Unloader option, top to bottom, bottom to top. Light curtain option, automatic reset, click start to reset. Magazine selection, automatic, manual. Machine ready signal option, send signal when PCB available, send signal when machine ready. Click start. Automatic with adjustment of magazine. Automatic with adjustment of PCB. Simulation of the machine feeding. Magazine out.